complimented you or mentioned na may gawin ka kay Julian San Jose?
Yes, actually, I get that a lot. Thank you so much.
Anyway, so when it comes to music naman, can you share na lang din, ano yung musical direction or what type of music do you lean towards? Do you mentioned right? Pero sound-wise or lyrics-wise, ano ba yung peg mo?
Pag nagsusulat po ako ng kanta, it's always coming from a true story. Something that actually happened to me, and I like to call it like cinematic, parang main character in the movie, you know?
Ballad-ish.
It's very narrative. I talk about very specific moments in my life. Actually, meron akong songs na nilabas before. It's called Marupok and Di Inibig. So like, pinakilig pero di inibig. So if you have time, please do listen to them. And those are like, they came from actual experiences in my life. And the music that I'm gonna be releasing in the near future, ganun din. So it's kind of like a diary or like reading a diary, like listening to my diary.
Sino siguro yung music influences mo rin? Or sino ina-idolize mo rin sa music? Like Sarah G. ba? Since favorite?
Well, of course, one of my biggest idols when I was starting was Coach Sarah, and my coaches in The Voice, you know, Coach Bamboo, Coach Leia. I'm a huge fan then of the megastar, Miss Sharon Cuneta. But I think that's more like the technique of singing. When it comes to songwriting, sa local scene, I love Juan Carlos, biggest fan. And I love bands like Eraserheads, I also love Rico Blanco. Yeah, mga local bands.
Last na nakatas. Are you still studying?
Not right now.
Because you sound so eloquent.
Thank you so much. I did do a short course though last year in iAcademy. It's about like social media and content creation. So that was fun. Pero yun yung huli kong school experience. I'm on hold for now, but hopefully in the future I'll be able to go to college.
What course? Have you started naman before sa college? Or not yet? If ever, have you thought about kung ano yung gusto mo i-try?
I'm really into fashion, film,
Art.
music, arts.
Creatives.
Not sure yet which one there, but
Definitely sa creatives.
yes.
Thank you, Tasca.
Thank you so much.
Alright, maraming salamat po. Ngayon naman, moving on to Erwin Ogawa from Anong Ganap.
Hi, Tasca. Yeah, we miss
Hi,
you. Anong
thank
ganap?
you. I miss
Yes.
you.
Since of course senior ka, ano sa tingin mo yung pinaka-sexiest song na narinig mo?
Sexiest song na narinig ko.
Yeah.
Naku, mahirap yan. Madaming sexy na song sa mundo. And I have a sexy playlist.
Yeah. Give us one, at least one.
Honestly, if it's like a local artist, I'd say something by Arthur Neri.
Yeah, correct.
Ano na nga yun?
Yung ano bang bedroom voice
I
ba?
forgot what the title is. Yung, kung ang aakit ka na naman, pwede ba sa akin?
Ay, ganda.
Akin lang. That song is so sexy. Yeah.
Isa lang.
Isa lang.
Isa lang.
Isa
Good.
Lagi
Ano
yung
fan?
PB
Fan din ako.
Galing naman yung PB. And since nag-compose ka rin, meron ka bang any song na tingin mo pwede maging theme song ng isang BMX movie? May ganun ba?
Actually, before, naging theme song yung song ko na Marupok sa isang movie ni Direk Roman, yung Kamadora. Tapos yung, I did a cover as well of Kahit Na. Naging theme song siya ng Haliparot ni Direk Bobby. And then I did a musical sa VMX Ohaw. So in that movie, I was a singer, and then I was in this love triangle with Angelique Kang and Ethan Rosales. It was really interesting. So yung one of the two of the songs there, ako po yung nagsulat. So I was really happy to have that opportunity na nalagay yung mga kanta ko dun sa movie na yun.
So parang fusion ng music mo din, movies.
Yeah.
Alright, best of luck. See you around.
Thank you.
Okay.